Good afternoon to everyone. Myself, B. Manohar. I'm studying in 7th class, MJP Boys School, Singarapet. Now I am participating in science club activity. The club activity about parts of flower.
So warm good afternoon to one and all. I am Kesari Heath. I am studying in 7th class in MJP school, Singarapet. Today I am participating in club activity. The club activity name is Parts of Flower.
The stalk of the flower is called as pedicel. The parts of flowers are arranged in 4 rows. They are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. The green part which is protect 3 rolls of flowers are called as calyx. Each part of calyx is called as sepals. Sepals are 5 are there in flower. Sepals are collectively called as calyx. Sepals are fused with each other. The function of calyx is protection. In this flower, colorful and attractive part is called as corolla. Each part of corolla is called as petals. 5 petals are there in flower. They are fused with each other. It is bright and attract the insects and birds for pollination. Petals are collectively called as corolla.
This is a androecium. This long-like structure is filament. This is a anther. Androecium is a main sexual part of flower.
This filament-like structure is called as style. The upper part of the gynoecium is called as stigma. The lower part of the gynoecium is called as ovary. Gynoecium is the female part of flower.